your recording चालू कर. Fine, started. Thank you. All right. So in the last lecture, we have seen Biot-Savart's law, its application, right? Biot-Savart's law, its applications. Magnetic field due to the finite wire, infinite wire, semi-infinite wire. Okay, that we have seen. Magnetic field due to the current carrying loop. That also we have seen, right? That also we have seen. Now the next point is, magnetic field due to arc. After that, magnetic field on the axis of the current carrying loop. That also we have found, right? Magnetic field at a point on the axis of the loop. Let me write down those formulae. You also write down. Write down. Magnetic field due to current carrying infinite wire or the finite wire, let's say. Magnetic field due to current carrying wire. Magnetic field due to current carrying wire. So if you have the finite wire, let's say at any general distance equal to small r from the wire, let's say the top point makes an angle of alpha with a given point or at a given point. Alpha, not alpha, theta 1 and theta 2 we have wrote, right? Theta 1 and theta 2 we have wrote. So let's say this angle is theta 1, this angle is theta 2, this angle is theta 2, and this distance is r. So what is the magnetic field at this point because of the current? Let's say current is going up. So you will hold this conductor in your right hand in such a way that curled fingers will give the direction of magnetic field and the thumb will point the direction of current. The thumb is giving the direction of current, and if you draw the circle around this straight line, if you draw the circle of these curled fingers a circle तयार करायचं. If you draw the circle of these curled fingers, then that circle at this point it is going in. At this point the circle is going in. It means tangent to it is a magnetic field direction. त्या सर्कलला जी tangent असते, that tangent is direction of magnetic field. So at this point the magnetic field will go inside. For all these points, left hand side points, the magnetic field will come out. If you draw these circles of magnetic field, because of this circles of magnetic field, if you draw because of this current carrying conductor, then at any point which is on this side of this straight current carrying conductor, then that will come out. That magnetic field will come out. Okay, या पॉइंटला जर विचार केला तर त्या पॉइंट मधून जे काही सर्कल असेल, the circle of the curled fingers will come out. त्या पॉइंटला exactly, assuming this wire as axis, draw the circles. This circle will come out at this point. Okay, use your right hand. Fine. That magnetic field we wrote as, first of all we will write field due to infinite conductor. Infinite conductor चा formula पाठ करना सोपा है, so we write generally infinite conductor formula first. The formula is mu 0 upon 4 pi. The formula is mu 0 upon 4 pi 2i upon r, but we replace that 2. The formula is mu 0 upon 4 pi 2i upon r. This is the magnetic field due to infinite conductor, but we replace this 2 by sin theta 1 and sin theta 2. Sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2. Sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2. If this sin theta 1 is 90 and if this theta 1 is 90 and if this theta 2 is also 90, it becomes infinite conductor. Sin 90 plus sin 90, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That 2 will again appear here. Okay, that 2 will again appear here. Then we have seen the magnetic field due to the arc. Or let us write the special case, magnetic field due to infinite wire or infinite conductor at distance equal to r. The formula is this is the special case, infinite, this is general case, theta 1 theta 2 general case. Its special case, When both theta 1 and theta 2 are 90, the formula becomes magnetic field due to infinite conductor mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon r. Mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon r. Then magnetic field due to the arc, magnetic field due to the arc at an angle, arc making an angle of theta at the center. Current carrying arc, current carrying arc, current carrying arc making an angle theta at the center. So first of all, you will write magnetic field due to entire loop. Magnetic field due to entire loop. What is magnetic field due to entire loop at the center? Let's say the radius of the circle is r. The formula is this formula as it is due to infinite conductor formula जो असतो straight conductor चा formula as it is mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon r. This formula as it is, and one pi is extra. एक extra pi add करायचा. One pi is extra. एक extra pi add केला. Mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I pi upon r. Mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I pi upon r. This is magnetic field due to the complete circle, complete circular loop. Magnetic field due to the complete circle or complete circular loop. But you do not have the complete circle. You have the fraction of the circle. What fraction? 360 degree एवढं सर्कल असेल तर फ्रॅक्शन आला 1. 180 डिग्री एवढं सर्कल आलं, एवढं सर्कल असेल, सेमी सर्कल असेल तर फ्रॅक्शन आला हाफ. थीटा एवढं सर्कल असेल तर you will write theta upon 2 pi. If theta is in radian, if theta is in radian, and you will write same formula mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I pi upon r, magnetic field due to the complete circle into theta upon 360. You will use this formula if theta is in degree. Theta is in degree. Theta जर degree मध्ये घेतला तर fraction theta upon 360 लिहा. If theta is in radian, then take the fraction theta upon 2 pi. Then take the radian, then take the fraction as theta upon 2 pi if theta is in radian, and if theta is in degree, take the fraction as theta upon 360. Okay, and this is the magnetic field due to the complete circle at the center. Okay, that we have wrote. Okay, all right. Then we have seen magnetic field at a point on the axis of the current carrying wire. Magnetic field at a point on the axis of the current carrying wire. But before that, let us decide the direction of this magnetic field. You will assume a conductor, a small conductor, anywhere on this wire, and you will hold that small conductor in your right hand. You will hold that small conductor in your right hand in such a way that the thumb gives the direction of current. The thumb gives the direction of current. And now you will draw the circles of these curled fingers. या curled finger चे circles त्या conductor च्या around draw करा. Those circles of curled fingers will come out from this point. या point मधनं ते circle बाहेर यायला लागले. Curled fingers. या point मधून curled fingers बाहेर येत आहेत. या point मधनच बघायचं. ज्या point ला magnetic field पाहिजे, या point मधून curled fingers. From that point, the curled fingers will come out. या कंडक्टरला जाऊन तुम्ही जर हातामध्ये पकडलं, जिथं कंडक्टर आहे तिथं जाऊन पकडायचं. इथं पकडायचं नाहीये. जिथं कंडक्टर आहे तिथं जाऊन पकडायचं. ज्या ठिकाणी कंडक्टर आहे, कंडक्टर is in the plane of the board. You will go in the plane of the board. You will hold that conductor in your right hand, and thumb will give the direction of current. And now the curled fingers, you will check from the given point. The curled fingers are coming out, so magnetic field will be coming out. So magnetic field will be coming out. Magnetic field will be coming out. Okay, if you reverse the direction of current, magnetic field also will be in reverse direction. Means what? If the current is flowing, let's say right now it is flowing anti-clockwise. Let's say the current is flowing clockwise. Let's say the current is flowing clockwise. In that case, the thumb will point down and the curled fingers will go in. Thumb will point down and the curled finger will go in. Okay, thumb will point down and the curled fingers at this point will go in. Go in means cross. बाहेर येतात म्हणजे dot. Fine. Now magnetic field due to the, this was field due to arc. This was the formula for field due to arc. Complete circle मुळे किती into theta upon 2 pi करा और theta upon 360 करा, arc मुळे मिळेल. Then magnetic field due to the current carrying loop at a point on the axis. Magnetic field due to current carrying loop magnetic field due to current carrying loop at a point on axis, at a point on axis. Current is coming out from the top, going in from the bottom. Then if the current is coming out, so the top conductor is like this, coming out. Top conductor is coming out. You will hold this top conductor in your right hand. जिथं कुठं कंडक्टर आहे तिथं जाऊन तुम्हाला तो तुमच्या right hand मध्ये पकडायचा आहे. The current is coming out, and if you draw the circles of these curled fingers, if you draw the circles of these curled fingers, it will be like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Then at this point, the tangent will be like this, and the tangent to the curled fingers gives the direction of magnetic field. From the top point, the current is coming out, so conductor is coming out. So you will hold the conductor in such a way that thumb is coming out, and you will draw the circles of the curled fingers. The circles of these curled fingers at this point showing that this is the tangent. So this is the magnetic field due to this small element. Okay. And similarly, you will draw magnetic fields due to all of these, and ultimately you will find that the magnetic field is pointing away from the loop. Okay, if you change the direction, if you change the direction of current, the magnetic field will be towards the loop. Right now it is ultimately away from the loop. The vertical components have cancelled each other. Only horizontal component has remained. Only horizontal component has remained. So at a distance equal to x, at a distance equal to x, oblique distance equal to small r, and the radius equal to small a, and the radius equal to small a. The formula for magnetic field B, which is pointing away from this current carrying wire, sorry, current carrying loop, the formula is, it was very simple, mu 0 upon 4 pi, mu 0 upon 4 pi. What was the formula? Can you recall? Mu 0 upon 4 pi, 2 times current into area upon r cube. Check if I am right or wrong. Check if I am right or wrong. Reply me in the chat box. Right or wrong? हा 2 आहे की नाही जरा चेक करा. 0 upon 4 pi 2 times current into area upon r cube. Check everyone. डायरेक्टली पार्ट करायला अडचण होते ना. 2 times 2i into pi a square upon r cube तसं पार्ट करायला थोडंसं टफ होतं. So I have made it simple. Mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 times current into area upon r cube. Mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 times current into area upon r cube. So as per the need, I can replace these values. Mu 0 upon 4 pi as it is, 2 as it is, current I, area of the loop will be pi into a square because a is the radius. Mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 times current into area upon r cube. This small r can be written as under root. Small r can be written as under root a square plus x square, a square plus x square, then bracket complete, its cube, bracket complete, its cube. And this square root of a square plus a square means raised to 1/2. Square root means 1/2. 1/2 raised to 3. So 2 times I into pi a square, I into pi a square upon a square plus x, a square plus x square raised to 1/2. 1/2 raised to 3. 1/2 raised to 3. 1/2 into 3 means 3/2. Index of index is multiplication of index. Here the index is 3 and here the index is raised to 1/2. 1/2 raised to 3. Okay, index of index, a square plus x square raised to 1/2 raised to 3. So it will be 1/2 into 3. So that will be equal to 3/2. So you will write a square plus this mu 0 upon 4 pi as it is. Mu 0 upon 4 pi 2i pi into a square upon a square plus x square raised to 3/2. चेक करा आठवलं का इथपर्यंत आपण केलं होतं. Right? Up to this we have done. All right. Fine. Now about yesterday's test. Have you done the analysis of the test? जे क्वेश्चन चुकले ते analysis notebook मध्ये solutions बघून समजून घेऊन लिहून घेतले का? Because it is compulsory. How many of you have done that? Reply me in the chat box. Good परमिता. सगळ्यांनी सांगायचंय. इट इज कंपल्सरी. ओके, जे जे क्वेश्चन्स आलेले नाहीये त्याचे सोल्युशन्स बघून समजून घेऊन यू हॅव टू राईट दोज इन दी अनालिसिस नोटबुक. आणि त्यातनं सुद्धा जे समजत नाही ते सगळं परत ग्रुपवरती, सर हा क्वेश्चन डाऊट आहे, हा क्वेश्चन डाऊट आहे असं व्हायला पाहिजे. तर त्याचं डिटेलमध्ये सोल्युशन अजून जास्त वर्ड्स मध्ये तुम्हाला देता येईल. ओके, आफ्टर एव्हरी टेस्ट it is compulsory to be done. Fine. Now, in this week, we will take one more chapter from the board and we will do its homework. Okay, board exercise. ज्यांनी ज्यांनी करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचा बोर्ड एक्सरसाइज सबमिट केलेला नाहीये त्यांनी कंपल्सरी आज सबमिट करायचा आहे. इट इज कंपल्सरी टू सबमिट दी बोर्ड होमवर्क ऑफ करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टुडे. ऑलरेडी वेळ दिला होता, तुम्ही बोर्ड एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करणार होता, 5 दिवस दिले होते. बोर्ड एक्सरसाइज आणि मॉड्यूलचा एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करणार होता. सगळ्यांनी काही कंप्लीट केलेला नाहीये. इट इज कंपल्सरी टू सबमिट इट टुडे. ओके, देन इन दिस वीक वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ टार्गेट ॲज नेक्स्ट चॅप्टर. नेक्स्ट बोर्डचा चॅप्टर कुठला घ्यायचा आहे? नेक्स्ट बोर्डचा चॅप्टर कुठला घेऊयात? एक मागचा कुठला तरी चॅप्टर घ्यायचा आहे आपल्याला. कुठला घेता येईल चॅप्टर? रोटेशनल केलाय आपण, मेकॅनिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ फ्लुइड केलाय. नेक्स्ट आहे केटीजी अँड रेडिएशन आहे, थर्मोडायनामिक्स आहे, ऑसिलेशन्स आहे, सुपरपोजिशन ऑफ वेव्स, वेव्ह ऑप्टिक्स, इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक्स. इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक्स केला आय थिंक आपण. इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक्स बोर्ड एक्सरसाइज केलाय का आपण? हॅव वी डन इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक्स बोर्ड एक्सरसाइज? येस. ओके, करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंपल्सरी तुम्ही आज सबमिट कराल, जेवढा राहिलाय तेवढा कंप्लीट कराल. ते आजचं टास्क असेलच तुमचं, पण त्यावेळी काम कंप्लीट करा म्हणजे आपोआप टेस्टला अभ्यास काही सेपरेट करावा लागत नाही, ऑटोमॅटिकली टेस्टचा अभ्यास होऊन जाईल. चॅप्टर घेऊया आपण ऑसिलेशन्स वाला जो काय चॅप्टर आहे, ऑसिलेशन्स वाला जो काय चॅप्टर आहे त्या ऑसिलेशन चॅप्टरची थिअरी रीड करा. ऑसिलेशन चॅप्टरची थिअरी रीड करा. कुठले कुठले डेरिव्हेशन्स आहेत बघा, डेफिनेशन्स काय काय आहेत बघा. पहिल्यांदा नोट्स वाचायच्या, डेरिव्हेशन्स डेफिनेशन्स बघायचे आणि या वीक मध्ये ऑसिलेशनचा बोर्ड एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करायचा. At the end of the week, we will have the test on oscillations. Will that be okay? Will that be okay? Everyone, reply me in the chat box. Oscillations notes एकदा रीड करा. सगळं जे काय बऱ्याच आधी जे काय झालं होतं ते एकदा परत नजरेखालून जाईल. तोपर्यंत या चॅप्टरचं पण कंटेंट कव्हर होईल. मग नेक्स्ट वीक मध्ये काय करूया, या चॅप्टरचे एमसीक्यू सॉल्व्ह करूया. विल दॅट बी ओके? ऑसिलेशन्सचं एकदा थेरी सगळी रिवाइज करून घ्या, सगळे एकदा वाचून घ्या, बघून घ्या, काय काय आठवते बघा, काय काय आठवत नाही बघा. ज्या गोष्टी आठवत नाहीत त्या क्लिअर करून घ्या, डाऊट्स विचारा. फाईन. पुढचा पॉईंट काय चेक करूया. टेस्ट कधी ठेवूया? टेस्ट कधी ठेवूया सांगा. ऑसिलेशन्स बोर्ड वाली टेस्ट असेल ऑसिलेशन्सची. सगळे फॉर्म्युले करावे लागतील, डेफिनेशन्स करावे लागतील, डेरिव्हेशन्स करावे लागतील आणि बोर्डचा एक्सरसाइज. बोला किती दिवस पाहिजेत? हाऊ मेनी डेज यू वॉन्ट? प्लस करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचा ज्यांनी सबमिट नाही केला त्यांनी कंपल्सरी सबमिट करायचंच आहे. डे सांगा. आज मंडे आहे. कोणत्या डे पर्यंत ऑसिलेशन्स रिवाइज कंप्लीट कराल? सॅटरडे इव्हिनिंगला करूयात. ओके. म्हणजे संडेला परत जर काय अजून होमवर्क करायचे असतील, अभ्यास करायचे असतील, ते तुम्हाला करता येतील. ओके. सो दिस सॅटरडे इव्हिनिंग देर विल बी टेस्ट ऑन ऑसिलेशन्स. काय काय आठवते बघा, एकदा सगळं परत नजरेखालून जाऊ दे. एकदा रीड करा, काय काय आठवते बघा. एक रिकॉल द्या. आता एकदा रिवाइज करा, अजून एकदा रिवाइज करायचंच आहे. जितक्या जास्तीत जास्त वेळा रिव्हिजन करता येतील तेवढ्या जास्तीत जास्त वेळा आपण रिव्हिजन करू. ओके. फाइन. So now the next point is fine. Write down a current carrying loop as a magnet. Current carrying loop as a magnet. Write down the heading as current carrying loop as a bar magnet or a magnet. Current carrying loop. Current carrying loop. Current carrying loop. Current carrying loop as a magnet. Current carrying loop as a magnet. Current carrying loop as a magnet. Fine. We know a current carrying loop can produce magnetic field. We know current carrying loop can produce magnetic field. Any current can produce a magnetic field around it. To produce a magnetic field, you need current. Okay. But sir, we have some objects called as permanent magnets. Upon magnet बघितलंय? We have seen the magnet, right? The magnet has north pole, magnet has south pole, and magnet produces the magnetic field around it. Okay. Just like electric fields, we have magnetic fields. Just like electric fields originate from the positive charge, magnetic fields originate from the north pole. Electric field originates from the positive charge. Magnetic field originates from the north pole. Electric field ends on the negative charge. Magnetic field ends on the south pole. So this is positive pole, this is negative pole. So north pole is called as a positive pole and south pole is called as negative pole. Okay, so this is a dipole. Equal and opposite charges separated by some distance. It is called as dipole. But it is not electric dipole. It is magnetic dipole. And magnet always exists as a dipole. Magnet always exists as a dipole. Okay, let's try to draw the magnetic field lines. Gammat baga. Magnetic field lines and electric field lines. Let me write here extra point. If I try to draw the electric field lines for this dipole, this is a plus q charge, and let's say this is the minus q charge. Then electric field lines you will draw it like this: positive to negative. Positive ला start होणार, negative वरती terminate. They start and terminate. Electric fields start and terminate. Positive ला start, negative ला terminate. If the lines are crowded, the field is strong. If the lines are spaced apart, field is weak. If the lines are spaced apart, field is weak. Directions बघा. Try to understand. No, positive, away from positive, away from positive, away from positive, away from positive, towards negative, towards negative, towards negative. But similarly, if you try to draw Magnetic field lines. See, what is the fundamental difference between these two? This is north pole of the magnet. This is south pole of the magnet. This is the positive pole. This is the negative pole. The interesting thing is, just give me 1 second. The interesting thing is, magnetic field lines originate from the north, just like they originate from the positive charge. Magnetic fields end on the south pole, just like electric fields end on the negative pole. Okay, पण बाळा गंमत अशी आहे. Start, end, again travel, and they complete the loop. So magnetic fields are directed from north pole to south pole, but outside magnet. It is true outside magnet, not inside magnet. It is true outside magnet. Fields are from north to south, positive to negative. So north to south. It is true outside magnet. Inside magnet, fields are from south to north. Magnet charge मात्र field line असणार आहे, which is south to north. Okay, so they form a complete loop. Electric field lines never form a loop. Electric field lines never form a loop. Magnetic field lines will form a loop. Magnetic field lines will form a loop. Why they form a loop, why it is so, we'll discuss. So draw magnetic field lines like this, away from north, or from the north to the south, outside the magnet, inside the magnet, south to north. Draw few more lines. Of course, they will never intersect each other. Otherwise, at a given point, there will be more than one direction. Okay, they are not going to intersect each other. Otherwise, at a given point, there will be more than one direction to the magnetic field, away from the north and towards the south, or north to south outside the magnet, and inside the magnet, south to north. Inside the magnet, south to north. Okay, try to understand. Like this, away from north, towards the south. After this, reply me in the chat box, clear and read. इथपर्यंत लक्षात येते का बघा जरा. Magnet and magnetic field lines. What is basic difference between electric field lines, electric dipole, and magnetic dipole? Slowly we will try to understand. Okay, fine. Now let's say we have a current carrying loop. Let's say we have a current carrying loop. Fine. Now this current carrying loop also behaves as if it is a magnet. Means it has a north pole and it has a south pole. Okay, let's try to understand. Before we understand it, what we are going to do is this. We are going to place some iron fillings on this in this plane. या plane मध्ये काय करायचं? Try to imagine. This is a plane which is perpendicular to the blackboard. In this plane, I will place some iron fillings. Okay, लोखंडाचा. What you can say? Iron fillings means what? Small pieces of or the particles of iron. Small pieces or the particles of iron if I place in this plane. Okay, and perpendicular to this plane, I will arrange a current carrying conductor. Perpendicular to this plane, I will arrange a current carrying conductor. So what is going to happen now? If I pass current through this conductor, what will happen? Thumb will give the direction of current and curled fingers, circles due to curled fingers will give the direction of magnetic field. So it will be like this. Circles will be closer and they will circles will be closer near the conductor, because near the conductor the magnetic field is high and away from the conductor the magnetic field is low. And all these iron fillings, all these pieces of ions align themselves like this. The space between the adjacent loops goes on increasing because field is getting weaker and weaker. Up to this, is that clear? Why we say magnetic field lines form a closed loop? Because these ion fillings arrange themselves in the closed loop. Is that clear? Up to this, reply in the chat box. What happens to the ion fillings? Good. बघा हळूहळू हे सगळं इमॅजिन करा. Slowly try to understand this. Okay, now what will happen, instead of a straight current carrying conductor, I have a wire like this. What will happen? Around this point there will be loops like this. Around this point the loops will be like this. Around this point the loops will be like this. Okay, around this point the loops will be like this. Magnetic field चे जे काही loops असतील, curled finger चे जे काही circles असतील, those will be like this. Okay, at each and every point around the current there will be there will be magnetic field line. Around the current there will be magnetic field line, because current produces magnetic field. Okay, so if you draw this in total, something resultant that will look like this. Try to understand. Fields are coming out like this, and fields are going in like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, coming out, going in, coming out, going in, coming out, going in. Those are loops. Coming out, coming out, coming out, coming out, going in, going in, going in, going in. Of course they form a closed loop. Or you can imagine the closed loops like this. Okay, slowly try to understand. थोडंसं आज बाळांनो नवीन करणार आहे, तो त्यामुळे थोडंसं स्लो शिकवतोय. Fine. Okay, so this is as good as a bar magnet. This loop is behaving as good as if it is a bar magnet like this. Coming out, coming out. Slowly try to understand. Coming out, going in, going in. Going in, going in, going in, going in, going in, going in. Outside the magnet, north to south. Inside the magnet, south to north, south to north, south to north. It is like this. Away from the north towards the south. Outside magnet, away north to south. Magnet च्या बाहेर कसं असते? North to south, north to south. The similar pattern, exactly this pattern is available here. A similar pattern is available here. Up to this, reply in the chat box, clear and written. Up to this, draw this diagram. Slowly we will try to understand how the current carrying loop behaves as if it is a magnet or bar magnet. Thodi similarity. Everyone, what happens to straight line? Write down these extra points as well. Okay, draw these extra points as well. Extra point पण draw करा. Current carrying conductor च्या around field lines कशा असतील? What will be the field lines, magnetic field lines around the current carrying conductor? That also you have to draw. And then draw this. And then we will identify which face is behaving as a north pole and which face is behaving as a south pole. That we will identify. Okay, which face is behaving as a north pole and which face is behaving as a south pole, that we will understand. Draw this and reply me in the chat box, clear and written. लिहून झालं की सांगा. Done? Done? Okay, fine. Now we will try to understand which pole of the which side of the current carrying loop behaves as a north side and which side behaves as a south side. Okay, magnet म्हणून काम करणार ना, मग आम्हाला साउथ पोल सांगा, नॉर्थ पोल सांगा. टेल अस द साउथ पोल and north pole. Okay, fine. So write down the tricks, write down the tricks to identify, tricks to identify north and south pole, north and south pole, north and south pole, tricks to identify the north and south pole of loop or current carrying loop. Okay, so first of all you have to observe the current carrying loop either from the left side or from the right side. Let's say we are observing it from the right side. Let's say we are observing it from the right side. And if we observe the current as clockwise, if we observe the current as clockwise, let's say we are observing the current carrying loop and the current is flowing clockwise. I am looking at the loop and the current is flowing clockwise, clockwise, clockwise. So clockwise south, I will remember clockwise south. If I observe the current clockwise, I will observe the south pole. If I observe the current clockwise, then I will observe the south pole. So if this is the loop, this is the loop, if this is the loop, and if I observe the current clockwise, then on my side of the loop, there will be south pole, and on the other side of the loop, there will be north pole. So clockwise south, this statement you will remember, clockwise south. So if I observe the current clockwise, this part of the loop is inside the board. I am observing the current clockwise, it is south. Okay, clockwise south. Or let's say you observe the current like this, you observe the loop like this, and the current is clockwise, current is clockwise, current is clockwise, current is clockwise, current is clockwise. Then which pole you will observe? Which pole you will observe? You will observe the south pole. See how I am drawing it. I am drawing the letters S in such a way that it is indicating the clockwise direction. There will be one more pole which is a north pole which will be behind the board. बोर्डच्या फ्रंट साइडला साउथ पोल तयार होणार. कारण if I observe this loop from the front side, I am observing the current as clockwise, and clockwise means south. I have drawn this letter S in such a way that it gives you the clockwise direction of the current. So या साइडला साउथ पोल तयार होणार, मागच्या साइडला नॉर्थ पोल तयार होणार. So clockwise south, clockwise. If you observe the current clockwise, on your side there will be south pole, on the other side there will be north pole, on the other side there will be north pole. Okay, so clockwise south, this trick you have to remember. Then automatically anti-clockwise means north. If you observe the current in the loop as anti-clockwise, जर तुम्हाला loop मधला current anti-clockwise दिसला, if you observe the current in the loop as anti-clockwise, then you will say anti-clockwise north, clockwise south, anti-clockwise north. So let's say you are observing the loop. This is inside the board, this is outside the board. You are observing it from the right side, and let's say you are observing the current as anti-clockwise. You are observing the current as anti-clockwise. Okay, it will be like this. This part of the loop is inside the board. This is inside the board. This is outside the board. Okay, इनसाइडच्या पार्ट मध्ये करंट वरती चाललाय, आउटसाइडच्या पार्ट मध्ये करंट खाली आलाय. आउटसाइडच्या पार्ट मधून खाली येतो, इनसाइड मधून वरती जातो. In short, it is anti-clockwise. In short, it is anti-clockwise. So you will observe the north pole, and on the other side there will be south pole. Okay, you will remember anti-clockwise north. You will remember anti-clockwise. You will remember anti-clockwise north. Clockwise south, anti-clockwise north. Or let's say you are observing the loop from the front side, and the loop is in the plane of the board, and the loop is in the plane of the board, and you observe the anti-clockwise current. Anti-clockwise current. then you will observe the north pole of the loop, and I am drawing the letter north, letter N, in such a way that it gives you the anti-clockwise direction. Try to understand how I am drawing it. North कसं draw केले? I have drawn the north in such a way that it automatically gives you the anti-clockwise direction, so that even if you are not able to remember it, even you draw the letter N and S, that will be enough. Once draw the letter S, it will automatically show you clockwise current means south pole on this side. ज्या साइडनं करंट क्लॉकवाईज दिसतोय त्या साइडला पोल कुठला तयार झालेला असतोय? साऊथ. ज्या साइडनं करंट अँटी क्लॉकवाईज दिसतोय त्या साइडला कुठला पोल तयार झालेला असतोय? नॉर्थ. So behind the board there will be south pole. Behind the board there will be south pole. And in this way you will identify the poles. In this way you will identify the poles of the current carrying loop. Up to this, reply me in the chat box. Is this trick clear to all of you? Trick clear झाली का check करा. Everyone fast. Good. Alakshat? Good. So clockwise south, anti-clockwise north. Okay. In this way you will remember it. Fine. Now we will solve some more examples. Okay, we will solve some more examples. Example number 4. Let us try to solve example number 4 based on the value of magnetic field, net magnetic field. काही example solve करूया आज आपण अजून. Write down example number 4. Draw the diagram and let's try to find out the value of magnetic field at a given point. Net magnetic field at given point. त्याच्यावरचे questions deal करायचे आहेत. Such kind of questions you will observe in the PYQs as well. The question is this. Question number 4. The question is this. See what you are given. A straight wire. You can assume it as a semi-infinite. Right side ला ती infinite आहे. या बाजूला infinite आहे. इथे येऊन it has terminated. This wire is also infinite on this side and it has terminated here. The current is flowing like this. This is a semicircle. This is a semicircle. This is point O. This is point O. This distance is given as capital R. This distance is given as capital R. This current is I. This current is I. Okay. This is the diagram. An electric current is flowing in a very long pin. This is a very long pin like this. It's a pin. As shown in the figure, the value of magnetic flux density. Magnetic flux density means magnetic field. Write down an extra point. Write down extra point. Just like electric flux per unit area d phi by ds or d phi by dA. Electric flux per unit area is electric field. Just like that, magnetic field is equal to magnetic flux per unit area. Just like electric flux per unit area, magnetic flux per unit area. Or you can call it as electric flux density. Electric field is electric flux density. Electric flux density. Just like that, you have here magnetic field as magnetic flux density. Write down this extra point. Magnetic flux density. Okay. So find out the total magnetic field or find out the magnetic flux density at point O. Total magnetic field at point O. Total magnetic field at point O is equal to question mark. Fine. So now here we have 3 segments. Here we have 3 segments. This is a semi-infinite segment. This is a semi-infinite segment. First wire. This is a second and this is a third. So because of first current carrying part, because of second current carrying part, because of third current carrying part, we will find out the value of magnetic field and then we'll decide whether to add those magnetic field, whether to subtract those magnetic field, or use Pythagoras theorem. जर magnetic field same directions मध्ये आल्या, then we will add. If the magnetic fields are opposite to each other, then we will subtract. If the magnetic fields are perpendicular to each other, we will use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we have to find magnitude of net magnetic field at this point. Okay, now because of the first conductor, because of this first conductor, the first conductor is carrying current in the leftward direction. So जिथं कुठं conductor आहे, the place at which the conductor is present, go to that place, hold that conductor in your right hand and check the curled fingers or the circles drawn around that conductor are coming out or going in from this point O. Reply in the chat box. Because of this conductor, magnetic field will be coming out, going in, upward, downward, leftward, rightward, all possibilities. Because of this, hold that conductor in your right hand, point the thumb in the direction of current and check the direction of the circles around the conductor. या current carrying conductor च्या around जे काही circles येतील, those circles, circles means curled fingers. That circle will come out, come in, go up, go down, go left, go right. It will come out. If you draw the circles around this straight current carrying conductor, because of the curled fingers मुळे जे काही circles येत आहेत, that circle will come out from this point. So magnetic field will come out. So I will write, because of first the magnetic field will come out. Because of first the magnetic field will come out. Come out means dot. Now because of second, assume any conductor of this wire. या लूपचा कुठलाही एक कंडक्टर घ्या बाळा and tell me, because of this semicircle, magnetic field at point O will come out or go in? Because of this semicircle, magnetic field will come out or go in? Out or in? O or I? Tell me. Okay, good. Come out or go in? Hold the conductor in your right hand and check the circles of that curled fingers will come out or go in. So you can hold this conductor in your right hand. You can hold this conductor in your right hand and show the direction of current. And if you draw the circles of the curled fingers, that circle from point O, that circle will come out. From point O, that circle will come out. You can hold any conductor of this semicircle. या semicircle चा कुठलाही portion तुम्ही हातात घ्या, कुठलाही any portion that you want. Any portion that you want, you just hold that. Let's say this part of the semicircle I want to hold in my hand. Okay, so it will be like this. It will be like this. Okay, and the circles of the curled fingers, circle of the curled finger from this point will come out. So that magnetic field because of the second part will come out. Now magnetic field because of this third part, semi-infinite straight wire, magnetic field because of the third part, come out or go in? Reply in the chat box. Hold this conductor in your right hand, show the direction of the current by the thumb, and the circles of curled fingers, check the circle of curved finger will come out, go in, go down, go left, go right. Yes, all of you are giving the correct answers. Good. So the circle of the curled finger from the point O will come out. You can imagine. You can hold this conductor, check where that conductor is present, go to that place, hold that conductor in your hand, imagine yourself holding that conductor in your hand, thumb is pointing the rightward direction, then from point O, if you draw the circles around this circles around this wire, या वायरच्या अराउंड बाळांनो सर्कल्स इमॅजिन करा. इमॅजिन दी सर्कल्स ऑफ दी कर्ल्ड फिंगर अराउंड दिस वायर अँड दोज सर्कल्स फ्रॉम पॉइंट ओ विल कम आउट. ओ मधनं आउट येतील. फ्रॉम पॉइंट ओ दोज सर्कल्स विल कम आउट. These three magnetic fields we have to add. So all the three magnetic fields we are in the same direction, so we will do the addition of magnitudes. सगळ्या magnetic field coming out आहेत, एकाच directions मध्ये आहेत, so we will do the addition of magnitudes. if some are going in, some are coming out, in that case you will do the subtraction. काही आत जात आहेत, काही बाहेर येत आहेत, त्या केस मध्ये सबट्रॅक्शन. सगळ्या एकाच डायरेक्शन मध्ये असतील, ऍडिशन. इफ ऑल दी डायरेक्शन्स आर सेम, ऍडिशन. इफ डायरेक्शन्स आर अपोजिट, सबट्रॅक्शन. And if the directions of two magnetic field are perpendicular, then to find out the resultant magnitude, use Pythagoras. Let's say two magnetic fields are in the same direction, then you will do the addition of magnitude to find out resultant magnitude. If two magnetic fields are opposite to each other, then you will do the subtraction of magnitudes to find out the resultant magnitude. If two magnetic fields are perpendicular to each other, then you will use the Pythagoras to find out the resultant magnetic field. If the two magnetic fields are perpendicular, then you will use the Pythagoras to find out the resultant magnetic field. Okay, these are the laws that we are going to use. Now, right now, all the magnetic fields are coming out. So because of this section, this entire section, net magnetic field will also be coming out. Now, magnetic field due to the semi-infinite wire. Let's say you have the semi-infinite wire, or you can call it as special semi-infinite wire. Special semi-infinite wire. If you have the special semi-infinite wire, because of a infinite current carrying wire at a distance equal to r, what is the value of magnetic field? This angle is going to be 90. Top point is making an angle of 90. Now bottom point is exactly on that perpendicular line. Bottom point perpendicular line वरतीच आहे. Bottom point जो आहे तो perpendicular line वरतीच आहे. So bottom point ने केलेला angle किती आहे? 0. Bottom point ने केलेला angle किती आहे? 0. So because of this semi-infinite line, what is going to be the magnetic field at this point? Bottom point ने काही angle च केलेला नाहीये. कसं असतं? असं असतं ना. Top point angle θ1, bottom point angle θ2, perpendicular distance r. And what is the formula of magnetic field? The formula is μ0 upon 4 pi 2I upon r, but we are going to replace that 2 कशाने replace करायचं आहे? sin θ1 plus sin θ2. 2 we have to replace by sin θ1 plus sin θ2. Try to understand properly. Sin θ1 plus sin θ2. This is the general formula. That we know. But on the first side it is infinite. And on the second side it is finite. And this point is exactly here. See, this point, we want to find out magnetic field. That point is available here. This perpendicular distance is available here. This second point is exactly here. Let's say this is point X. This is point Y. The point X is exactly available here, and the point Y is at infinity. So point Y is making an angle of 90. Point X is making an angle of 0. Point X इथं आहे, point Y infinity ला आहे. Fine, very simple sir. Infinite चं जेवढं आन्सर आलं असतं त्याच्या हाफ आन्सर येणार. You have the half infinite wire or semi infinite wire, so you will get half answer. So by formula, let's go by formula and let's verify whether you get the half answer of infinite or not. By formula, θ1 equal to 90 and θ2 equal to 0, you will write the magnetic field as μ0 upon 4 pi 2I upon r, but you are going to replace that 2. So I upon r, and 2 is replaced by sin θ1. Sin θ1 is 90. Top point na angle kya hai 90. Bottom point is exactly on the perpendicular line. So bottom angle is 0. Try to understand. Sin θ1 plus sin θ2. μ0 upon 4 pi I upon r. Sin 90 is equal to plus 1. Sin 0 equal to 0. So answer is μ0 upon 4 pi I upon r. μ0 upon 4 pi I upon r into 1 plus 0 means 1. 1 plus 0 means 1. A slight rearrangement you can do. μ0 upon 4 pi 2I upon r. You have multiplied by 2. So you will divided by 2. 2 न multiply केलं, 2 न divide केलं. So you can write magnetic field because of semi-infinite, magnetic field because of semi-infinite wire. Semi-infinite चा answer किती येणार? We have already done this. We already did this. Infinite wire मुळे येणार answer, magnetic field due to infinite wire divided by 2 into 1/2 means divided by 2 into 1/2 means divided by 2. Up to this, reply in the chat box, clear and written. CW. Top point angle 90 होना, bottom point angle 0. Exactly, bottom point is exactly on the perpendicular. Everyone. बघा बाळांनो, समजले का? पट 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 रिप्लाय करा. Everyone, fast reply me. Good. Fine. So semi infinite मुळे आन्सर किती येणार? Infinite upon 2. Infinite upon 2. Okay. So याचा आन्सर infinite upon 2. याचा आन्सर पण infinite upon 2. Now you have the semicircle. Semicircle, complete circle upon 2. Semicircle चा आन्सर किती येणार? Complete circle upon 2. Okay. Let us write that also. हे लिहून झालं. Write this as extra point. Now write one more extra point. Write one more extra point. One more extra point here. Magnetic field due to the semicircle. Magnetic field due to the semicircle. What will be the value of magnitude of magnetic field due to the semicircle? Semicircle means angle theta is equal to pi. The formula is B is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon r. पहिल्यांदा infinite wire चा formula. But this is not the infinite wire. We have the complete loop. For complete loop, you have to write extra pi here. You have to write extra pi here. Mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I pi upon r. Mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I pi upon r. But this is the field due to the complete circle. This is the field due to the complete circle. But now you have the semicircle. Semicircle means what fraction of total circle? What fraction of total circle means theta upon 2 pi. Theta upon 2 pi. You have the semicircle, means this fraction should be equal to 1/2. So you could have directly written 1/2 there. तुम्ही इथे directly 1/2 लिहिला असता तरी चाललं असतं. Or you can just go by the formula u0 upon 4 pi 2I pi upon r multiplied by this theta is equal to pi upon 2 pi. So that will be equal to 1/2. That will be equal to 1/2. You could have written this answer and you could have directly multiplied it by half. Complete circle मुळे answer into half. Complete circle चा center ला answer किती आला असतं? Divide by half. Okay, divide by half. That you can do. Now let us find out B1, B2 and B3. Magnetic field because of first semi-infinite wire, then semicircle, then again semi-infinite wire. Let's write down those answers and then let us find out the final answer. Extra points सगळे संपले. Slowly try to understand the types of the questions. Question चे types जरा identify करून घ्या. So magnetic field because of the first, it will be what? It will be mu 0 upon 4 pi, mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon r. This is the answer of infinite. This is the answer of infinite. Infinite into 1/2. That will give you semi-infinite wire answer. Now magnetic field due to the second part is a semicircle. So you will write the magnetic field due to the full circle mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I pi upon r. Actually the same formula and the pi extra. हा same formula इथे आहे, फक्त याच्यामध्ये pi extra आहे. You will get magnetic field due to the complete circular loop. See, it should not be like this. In this left hand side half the current is like this, in the right side half the current is like this. No, that's not the current loop. त्याच्यामध्ये दोन semicircle आहेत. If this is the case, then there will be two semicircles. First is this semicircle, second is this semicircle. If this is the case, then it is a loop. This is the case, then it is a loop. Identify and understand the loops, whether it is a loop or two semicircles. In this case, it is two semicircle case. इकडे एक semicircle आहे, इकडे एक semicircle. In this case, it's a loop. In this case, it's a loop. Okay, because of this left side part, because of this left side part, magnetic field at the center will be going in or coming out. Reply me in the chat box. Yeah, left side मुळे magnetic field going in, coming out because of this left side part, going in, coming out. Hold this conductor in your right hand. Hold this conductor, any conductor of this left hand side part in your right hand, and check the magnetic field is coming out. Draw the circles around this line. Draw the circles around a small conductor and check whether that circle is coming out or going in. Yes, all of you gave the correct answer. The field is coming out. त्याच्यामुळे magnetic field इथे बाळ coming out असेल. Now check magnetic field because of this right side part, this current, whether it is coming out or going in. This current is I1, this current is I2, let's say. त्याच्यामुळे काय येणार बघा, going in, coming out. Hold this conductor in your right hand. Hold this conductor in your right hand. Aditya, think again. हा conductor तुमच्या right hand मध्ये पकडा. Draw the circles around that conductor. Check whether that circle around this conductor, या conductor च्या around जे काय magnetic field चं circle आहे, that circle goes in, comes out, goes left, goes right, goes up, goes down. In, out, up, down, left, right. ते check करायचं circle कुठे जाते. If you draw the circles around this line, या line च्या around circles draw केले, then that circle at this point goes in. Okay. So these magnetic fields are opposite to each other. So पहिल्या current मुळे magnetic field काढा, दुसऱ्या current मुळे magnetic field काढा, and then do the subtraction. They may cancel each other, they may not cancel each other. Exactly answer 0 येईल याची guarantee नाही. To get exactly answer 0, these two radius must be equal to 0. Radius पण equal पाहिजेत आणि current पण equal पाहिजे. In that case, it will cancel. Because magnetic field answer, because of the complete loop or the semicircle, depends on current and the radius. Semicircle मुळे answer असेल किंवा loop मुळे answer असेल, ते current आणि radius वरती dependent आहे. Okay. So equal current should be there, equal radius should be there, or at least current upon radius ratio. याचा current upon radius ratio, याचा current upon radius ratio equal यायला पाहिजे, तरच त्या दोन magnetic fields opposite तर आहेत, पण cancel exactly होणार आहेत की नाही ते कशावरती dependent असेल, current upon radius ratio. Current upon radius. If that ratio is exactly equal, then the magnitudes are equal. If magnitudes are equal, then directions will also be equal. If magnitudes are also equal and directions are opposite, then the final answer will be 0. If magnitudes are equal and directions are opposite, final answer will be 0. An opposite direction means subtraction. Okay, fine. So बरीच या questions ची variety असते. Okay, different combinations, different geometrical arrangements you will be given. Fine. So this is the answer due to the complete circle. Mu 0 upon 4 pi 2i upon r, infinite wire formula into pi. Infinite wire formula into pi. एक pi इथं जर extra additional लिहिला, then you get a magnetic field due to the complete loop. Because of this complete loop, but half loop is present, so multiply by half. Now, because of this conductor, third conductor, because of third segment of the current, third current segment जो काय, because of that, again a semi infinite wire. So infinite wire formula mu 0 upon 4 pi 2i upon r, infinite wire formula into the wire is semi infinite. अर्धीच आहे ना, या लेफ्ट ला ती infinite नाही आहे, लेफ्ट ला ती finite आहे, राईट ला infinite आहे. So into half. Fine. All these magnetic fields are coming out. Therefore, net magnetic field at point O will be addition of these three magnitudes. All these three magnitudes will get added because directions are same. Directions opposite असतील तर subtraction, same असतील तर addition, perpendicular असेल तर Pythagoras. Okay, to find out the resultant magnitude, if The magnetic fields are in same direction, addition. If the magnetic fields are in opposite direction, subtraction. If the magnetic fields are perpendicular, then use Pythagoras. So net magnetic field at point O because of this current arrangement will be equal to B1 plus B2 plus B3. Now, in this, what you can take common? Mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon R, mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon R, mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon R. From all the three, you can take it common. So wisely take these things common. Do not cancel anything here. इथं आधीच काही cancel करू नका. Common काढायला सोपं पडतंय. If you do not cancel the things. Mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon R. Let's take that common. What remained here? Only 1/2. What remained here? Pi by 2. Because mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon R common, what remained here is pi by 2. Here mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon R, what remained here is 1/2. What remained here is 1/2. Okay, see how simple answer is going to be. In the exam, you are going to write this, 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 this. Answer over. That's it. Do the addition, write down the final answer. Now check if you are asked exact value, then you will replace mu 0 upon 4 pi by 10 raised to minus 7. Extra point. What is the value of mu 0 upon 4 pi? Just like 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 raised to 9. Just like that, mu 0 upon 4 pi is equal to 10 raised to minus 7 in SI units. In SI units. In SI unit. Mu 0 will be equal to what? 4 pi on the right side. 4 pi la right side la patwa. You will get the answer of mu 0 upon 4 pi. Or you will get the answer of mu 0 if you multiply this 4 pi on the right side. Mu 0 चा answer पाहिजे असेल तर 4 pi ला right side ला पाठवा. So mu 0 is equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 and mu 0 upon 4 pi is equal to only 10 raised to minus 7. Okay, fine. So if you are not asked exact answer, then you will cancel the things. 2 and 4 cancel. 2 and 4 cancel means 2 in the denominator, pi as it is, this I as it is, this R as it is, in the bracket 1/2 plus 1/2 1 plus pi by 2. Replying in the chat box, clear and written. See in how many steps I solved the answer. In between मध्ये फक्त मी तुम्हाला बरीच theory सांगितली, ज्या theory मुळे तुम्हाला अशा टाइपचे questions, such type of questions now you will be able to solve. Everyone replying in the chat box. Is this type of question clear to all of you? Some geometrical arrangement will be given to you. You have to identify the segments. Segment 1, segment 2, segment 3. And then decide the directions. And then decide whether to add, whether to subtract, whether to Pythagoras. बघा बाळांनो, गंमत लक्षात येते का तुम्हाला? It is a type of question. Expect this question in the exam. You can expect these kind of questions in the exam. Some kind of geometrical arrangement will be given to you and you will be asked the net magnetic field at certain point. एका certain point ला तुम्हाला net magnetic field विचारणार. ठीक आहे? Next. Next is very interesting. Try to understand it. Try to understand it. Question number 5. Some geometrical arrangement is given to you like this. 3/4 of the circle is given. 1/4 9, 1/2 9, 3/4. 3/4 of the circle is given to you. Try to understand. See how I am drawing it. I am marking some points initially. 3/4 of the circle is given to you, and the current from the long wire current is exactly coming like this. This is point O, and then the current is going away like this, going away like this. Fine, it's okay. All right. Now we have to find out net magnetic field at point O. Net magnetic field at point O is equal to question mark. Net magnetic field at point O is equal to question mark. Current I, current I, current I, current I, current I. Okay. And the radius of the circle is given as R. This radius is given as R. So this distance will be automatically equal to R. This distance will be automatically equal to r. Now let me name the wire, just like they have named that wire as P. This point P is at infinity. This point P is Q. This in between point as R. Then this point as S. Then point T is at infinity. Now try to identify these segments. The first segment that I identify is PQ segment. The first segment that I identify is PQ segment. आता मला सांगा बाळांनो, गंमत बघा. If the infinite wire is like this, or the infinite or finite doesn't matter, infinite or finite doesn't matter. If you are given the wire like this, if the point is at a perpendicular distance equal to r from the wire, at a perpendicular distance equal to r from the wire, then you can find out the values of theta 1 and theta 2. मग तुम्हाला theta 1 आणि theta 2 मिळणार. You can find out the values of theta 1 and theta 2, and you can write the formula mu 0 upon 4 pi 2i upon r. But now you will replace that 2 by sin theta 1 and by sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2, and you will get the answer. Yes, that I know. But what if, sir, this point is exactly in the line of the wire? त्या वायरच्या लाईन वरतीच जर हा पॉइंट असेल तर both the angle theta 1 and theta 2 will become 0 or 180, agree disagree. If this line is not on one side or second side of the wire, या साइडला पण नाही, या साइडला पण नाही, it is in line with the wire. If the given point is in line with the wire, this angle theta 1 and theta 2 will become 0 and 180, agree disagree. If this point is in line with the wire, वायरच्या लाईन वरतीच पॉइंट दिला, आता काय करायचं? Theta 1 and theta 2 will become 0 and 180. Yes, no, reply in the chat box. Try to imagine. Try to imagine this point here. Try to imagine. In line with the wire. Of course, this r, perpendicular distance, is going to be equal to 0. Wire पासून perpendicular distance किती? That r is also going to be equal to 0. But fundamentally, this theta 1 and theta 2 are going to be equal to 0 and 180. So in that formula of finite wire formula, mu 0 upon 4 pi, पहिल्यांदा infinite लिहायचा असतो, 2i upon r, then rub this 2 and write sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2, sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2, and then just write sin 0 and sin 180. Sin 0 is 0, sin 180 is 0. So ultimately that magnetic field will result into 0. Ultimately that magnetic field will result into 0 if the given point is in line with the wire. In line with the wire. Wireच्या line वरतीच तो point असेल. If the point is in line with the wire, then the magnetic field at that point is 0. Okay, because of the wire, magnetic field at that point will be 0. Now, because of segment PQ, magnetic field at point O will be equal to 0. Yes, no, Aditya? You have raised the hand. Tell me. Check kar. So how theta is 180? What I am trying to say is this. एक तर 0 होणार किंवा 180 होणार असा मी विचार केला. हा पॉइंट आता आपण इथे ड्रॉ करूया. केला? त्या पॉइंटला नाव देऊया x. X point is here. So this line is x to q. So x to q एक लाईन झाली x to q. ही लाईन कशी असेल आता x to q, कारण x पॉइंट इथं आहे. Second, this line is from x to the wire. x पासून वायर. आता x पासून वायरला जी काय लाईन आहे, x पासून वायरला जी काय लाईन आहे, ओके, x पासून वायरला जी काय लाईन आहे ती इथंच असणार आहे. इथंच असणार आहे. वायर पासूनचा परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स याच ठिकाणी आहे. आता हा जो काय पॉइंट आहे, वायर पासून परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स, दिस परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स इज गोइंग टू बी इक्वल टू 0. सो that I can either draw it like this or like this. 0 डिस्टन्स आहे, तर ते मला असं डाऊनवर्ड पण काढता येते, अपवर्ड पण काढता येते, लेफ्टला पण काढता येते, राईटला पण काढता येते. सो आय एम सेइंग either 0 or 180. थोडा विचार करा. I know it is to be imagined कारण तो एक null vector तयार होणार आहे. This r is going to be null vector. Perpendicular distance 0 येणार ना. If you are on the wire, then your distance from the wire is going to be 0. So that distance is going to be the null distance, null vector. मग ते draw कसं करणार? Basically no. So I said 0 or 1. So magnetic field येणार नाही. यासाठी मी मुद्दाम त्याला 0 किंवा 180 म्हणतो. चेक करा, विचार करा. Think over it. Everyone. थोडंसं critical आहे, but we can imagine it. We can imagine it. Everyone. This distance, we cannot draw it downward or upward because it's at 0 distance. And from that you have to measure the angle. So how we are going to measure? Absolutely not. So I am assigning it a value of 0 or 180 because I don't know that value. Fine. And because ultimately field because of this exists only on this side and this side, not on the wire. Wireच्या inline point असेल तर तिथली field 0. Okay, fine. Now because of segment PQ, you start imagining, because of segment PQ, this point is in line with the segment PQ. PQ च्या line वरतीच आहे. So at this point, because of segment PQ, the field will be 0. So magnetic field due to PQ. Magnetic field due to PQ at point O, I will directly write as 0. At point O will be directly equal to 0. Will be directly equal to 0. Number 1. Number 2, magnetic field because of this 3/4 circle QRS. QRS is the 3/4 circle. So magnetic field due to QRS, it is a 3/4 circle. So 3/4 circle means 3/4 of the total circle answer. Total circle चा आंसर किती असते? μ0/4 pi 2I/r and into pi. एक pi extra येणार ना. Infinite wire चा आंसर μ0/4 pi 2I/r. Infinite wire चा आंसर into pi करायचं आहे. So complete circle चा आंसर, complete circle च्या 3/4. बघा पटकन आन्सर्स येतात. You can find out the answers very easily. We'll decide the directions, we'll decide the magnitude, then we'll decide whether to add, subtract or Pythagoras. Now this is a semi-infinite wire. Semi-infinite ST is a semi-infinite wire. Exactly या end ला एक point आहे. या point ला magnetic field पाहिजे आहे. Exactly perpendicular distance वरतीच तो point आहे. Exactly perpendicular distance वरतीच तो point आहे. So this is going to act as a semi-infinite wire or the special semi-infinite wire because this point is exactly on the perpendicular. This point is exactly on the perpendicular, and the second point is at infinity. Second point हा infinity ला आहे. Okay. First point इथं start झालाय. Second point infinity ला आहे आणि first point च्या exactly perpendicular वरतीच हा given point आहे ज्या point ला तुम्हाला magnetic field पाहिजे. So the angles θ1 and θ2 are going to be 0 and 90. एक 0 असणार, एक 90 असणार. So you can go by the formula or you can write infinite answer upon 2. Infinite answer upon 2. Okay. मला सांगा ना, इकडच्या साईडला जर wire infinite असती, if the wire is infinite on this side, then you would have written the infinite wire answer at this point. या साईडला जर wire infinite असती, then you would have written the infinite wire answer at this point. But exactly from this point, बरोबर त्याच पॉइंटच्या परपेंडिक्युलर ला वायर स्टार्ट झाली आहे आणि या साईडला इन्फिनिट आहे. सो एक्झॅक्टली हाफ आन्सर येणार. यू विल गेट एक्झॅक्टली हाफ आन्सर. हा, इफ दिस पॉइंट इज हियर, so then you will not say exactly half answer, then you will use the rule sin θ1 and sin θ2. This angle θ1, let's say equal to 30 degree, and this angle θ2, समजा हा पॉइंट, if this point is available here, मग या लेफ्ट साइडच्या पॉइंटने अँगल केला, किती केलाय? 30 डिग्री. परपेंडिक्युलर बरोबर 30 डिग्री अँगल केलाय आणि राईट साइडच्या पॉइंटने अँगल किती केलाय? लेट्स से 90 डिग्री. या केस मध्ये sin θ1 sin 30, sin θ2 sin 90. बट If this point is available here, in that case this theta1 will be equal to 0. हा point इथे imagine करा. Try to bring this point here. The theta1 will become equal to 0 and theta2 will be equal to still 90. तो मात्र 90 असेल. Okay, try to imagine it. So for time being, let me rub it. Fine. Let me rub this as well. Fine. Now because of this segment, I have found the answer. Now because of ST, so magnetic field due to ST, magnetic field due to ST at point O, perpendicular distance is equal to R. The radius पण Rच होती, perpendicular distance पण Rच आहे, so no problem. जेव्हा लूपचा फॉर्म्युला वापरता बाळांनो, लूपचा फॉर्म्युला वापरता तेव्हा R is radius, and when you use the formula of wire, R is perpendicular distance from the wire. At point O la because of ST, at point O because of ST, it will be mu 0 upon 4 pi, mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon R, where R is a perpendicular distance of a given point from the wire, where R is a perpendicular distance of given point from the wire. That's a magnetic field due to infinite wire into half, because right now we have at this point we have exactly half wire. या point ला आपल्याला exactly half wire. Fine, we will get some answer here. All right. Now let us decide the directions. Because of this magnetic field at this point is 0, so no need of deciding direction. It's a null vector, no need of deciding direction. Because of this quarter circle, magnetic field at point O, reply me in the chat box, coming out, going in. Because of quarter, not quarter circle, 3/4 circle. 3/4 circle मुळे coming in, going out, in or out. Reply me in the chat box. In or out. Because of different geometries, you should be able to decide the direction. Correct. All of you are giving the correct answer. Out असेल, in असेल, sometimes up, sometimes down, sometimes left, sometimes right. All those possibilities are there. Not always in and out. Now you can hold any conductor of this quarter circle or 3/4 circle in your hand. Go to that place. त्या place ला जावं लागतं. Okay. कुठनंही imagine करू शकत नाही तुम्ही. You cannot hold this conductor here in this hand, and you cannot say the magnetic field is coming down or going left. No, you have to go to that place. You have to imagine that you are holding that conductor, and then you will draw the circles of the curled fingers, and those circle will come out at this point. या point ला ते circle बाहेर येणार. It is coming out. So write down here, coming out. Okay, within 1 minute we will stop, sir, so that you can attend maths class. Fine. Now because of the segment ST, reply me in the chat box, what is the direction? Oh, I made a mistake. Quarter circle answer is coming out. Coming out means dot. Because of segment ST, magnetic field at point O. Imagine the segment ST you are holding in your hand, right hand, in such a way that thumb is pointing the rightward direction, and imagine the circles of curled fingers. या wire च्या around circles draw करा, and that circle at point O will come out or go in, go left, go right. That you have to decide. It will come out. It will come out again. So it will come out again. It will come out again. So in this way it is coming out, coming out, coming out. And this direction it is 0. So both are coming out. So net magnetic field at point O will be definitely coming out, and all coming out minus all going in. No one is going in, everyone is coming out. याचा तर काही विचारच नाहीये. So write that as 0. Then this plus याची addition होणार 3/4 of mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I pi upon R, 3/4 of total circle, and complete wire चा half. Everything will get added. Everything will get added. mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon R into 1/2. बघा बाळांनो, हे लक्षात आलंय का? Geometry वाले question लक्षात आले? Different types of geometrical arrangement will be given to you. You have to find out the magnitude. You have to decide the direction. Then you have to decide whether to add, whether to subtract, whether to bypass. This is a type of question. Identify a type of question. Everyone now will reply me in the chat box, and then we'll leave this meeting fast. Clear and written CW, and then you can leave the meeting. पट रिप्लाई करा. आदित्य, अदिति, अद्वैत, आनंद, अंतरा, अनुजा, अनुष्का, हर्ष, आर्यन, अश्लेषा, आशना, अथर्व, ब्राह्मणी, परिहा, हर्षिका, इकरा, ईशा, कश्मीरा, केतकी, पूजा, समज्ञा, सानिया, सौंदर्या, श्रावणी, श्रुति, श्वेत, सिद्धि, तन्वी, वैभवी, प्रतीक, संच. फास्ट. पटकन रिप्लाई करा and then you can leave the meeting. Okay, fine, good, fine. ठीक आहे बाळांनो, या लेक्चरला आपण इथं थांबूया. चला, ठीक आहे, ओके, चलो बाय. हॅव अ गुड डे अँड नाईस डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू. चलो बाय. येस. सनिया, रेकॉर्डिंग तुम्हाला ईमेल वरती सेंड कर. ओके, I will just text me on the WhatsApp. I will send my email ID. Okay.